Do you want to reserve your P&O Cruises holiday before it even goes on sale? Lock in your preferred cabin, plus make a saving of up to 20%, as you can get 10% off a P&O Cruises select fare, an extra 5% off Peninsula Club sailings, and on top of that, you can get an extra 5% exclusive discount and only pay a 5% deposit if you book directly with us. P&O Cruises summer 2027 sailings are now available. So if you want to be the first to grab the best P&O Cruises cabins and itineraries before they even go on sale, as well as up to 20% savings, then you'll need to pre-register with us by the 28th of April. This is the best time to book your 2027 escape, so don't miss out.